Okay, so yesterday I made the system better. But now I wanna add YouTube, I wanna add Facebook, I wanna add every shortcut on that box just today, cause okay. So yesterday we made this one, and I said that I'm gonna put a logo right here. So I kind of wanna add YouTube, Facebook, a bunch of other stuff. I want to put on the shortcuts. It's like a web shortcut. You get it. I'm just gonna copy this code right here and just paste it. One, two, and then how big is this? 15. So let's assume it's 15. Okay, let's look. Okay, I need to lower it. Okay, it's working. Okay, probably 35. Let's just use 35 and change this, of course, to YouTube. There we go. And it works. It's longer though. Oh, wait. Let's make the width. It should show below it, right? Boom. Go to YouTube, go to Chrome. Oh, now they're at the same height. I mean, they're at the same look, right? And then we're gonna go and boom. All right. Whoa, what happened? Ooh, let's just fill the screen, bro. I mean, it would probably look better if it fills the screen. It fills the screen. Oh, it's too big. How big is this? Or third 40. Okay, you can still see 35, but it's probably 35 big or some. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, 37. Final offer. 37. And let's see. Come on. Oh, it's already. What? Okay. Boom. Okay, it looks perfect. Okay, let's test all of them out. Go to Chrome, obviously. Go to YouTube. Okay, it works. And oh, I forgot. Go to Facebook. Go to Facebook. Boom. Let's test it out. Okay, now we added another two function and then we made it look nice. At least our system is upgrading each day. So that's it. Facebook.com, baby. That's about it for day 33, bro. Like, I'm so far, I made it to day 33. As always, like and sub for more of this shit. And look, so cool. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing on day 300 or some shit, but I hope I can make this content going. Bye bye.